Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase in Australia. First, you will need to visit the Coinbase website or download their mobile app. Begin by creating your account with a valid email address and a strong, unique password. Make sure to keep your login details secure. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your cryptocurrency journey on the platform. After creating your account, the next crucial step is identity verification. You will need to provide a valid Australian identification document, such as a driver's license or passport, to comply with regulations. Once verified, link your Australian bank account. This allows you to easily deposit Australian dollars into your Coinbase account and withdraw funds when you sell your cryptocurrencies, making transactions straightforward. With your account set up and verified, you are ready to start trading. Deposit Australian dollars into your Coinbase account using your linked bank. Once funded, you can easily buy popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others with just a few clicks. When you decide to sell, you can convert your crypto back to Australian dollars and withdraw the funds directly to your bank account, completing the cycle. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account for an extra layer of protection. If you ever encounter issues or have questions, Coinbase offers customer support to assist you. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals and resources that might enhance your digital experience. Staying informed and secure is key to a successful crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.